Hello guys, it's me Remedy. Today I'm going to show you how you can build an online banking website, the best online banking scripts on the internet, right? So you want to launch your own secure online banking website. This video I will show you the best online banking website that comes with a powerful features such as crypto payment, virtual cards, paper integration, loan management. So in this video, you're going to learn how to set up an online banking website step by step. I'm going to take you from what you don't know. I'll take you on your hand and show you step by step process of creating an online banking website, how to set up your online banking website step by step, the best online banking script for secure transaction, how to accept PayPal cryptocurrency, Wise and Zelle, enable to FA KYC compliance and account limit for security. You have full admin panel control. You're going to get the full banking script by contacting me on WhatsApp. I will recommend you a perfect hosting to set up this. So you can also join our Telegram group where you can get all the scripts you need for your work. You don't need to stress yourself. You can get a script you want. So the key features of this online banking script include secure and versatile payment solution, SMS alerts. You can get notified instantly for every transaction, paper, crypto deposit, virtual cards, banking complete banking transaction system, loan management, transaction history, wire transfer, crypto transfer, local transfer, multiple payments supported, such as Paywise, PayPal, Cash App, Skrill, Zelle, Revolt, Alipay, WeChat, and more. So there are a whole lot of this thing um, payment method added, the front end content editor, live chat, and a whole lot of things. So you just make a comment below, drop your comments, subscribe for more tutorial that I will be bringing, like and share. All right, excuse like and share as well. So so this feature is a very detailed online banking website. All right. All right. So let's look at it. Let's look at this online banking website. Let's log into an account and let me show you. Okay, this is the login page. What you need to log in is your username and your um password. You can create a new account. So in creating a new account, you can um add your name. Let me say your username. Let me click on next. You add your email, add your phone number, select your country, click on next, select whether you want checking or savings account, enter transaction page, and what click on next. Here you put a password that is complete. So you create a password. So I already have an account, so I don't want to go to the purpose. Now I want to log into my account so that this video will be fast. So let's log into this account that I have. Real one to password. All right. I think my network has gone up. Right, it will request for your pin. Look at how it's looking. Look at how the pin distance looking. Let's put it on the mobile view. Let me show you how it looks on the mobile view. On the mobile view, let me show you how it looks on the mobile view. Yeah, looks like that. Uh, that's how it looks on the mobile view. All right, let me put it pin verified. So I'll be taken to the dashboard. All right, and this is the dashboard. Look at how it's looking. You're going to see the current balance and monthly income based on how much you spend on monthly basis. Monthly outgoing transaction account transaction limit. That's the limit is currently at place at $500,000. Right? See available balance. You can turn on, turn off. This is your account number. You can top up. You can top up your account. Click on top up and top up your account. You see account info. Right, so you can top up your account using any of the bank transfer and PayPal and a whole lot of them. So let's go back to dashboard. Let me show you. Let me show you what you have in the dashboard. All right, so you can see, look at the account info. You can look at cards, see your cards. Here, and it shows you your transaction limit, pending transactions, transaction volume. That's the volume of transactions we've made. Account age. All these things can be backdated from admin. Okay, you can make local international transfer. So in local transfer, once you click on local transfer, it takes you to this place where it will request for your um it requests for the name of the person you want to transfer to, amount, bank name, type of bank, outside joint, description. You put the description, your pin 1234. Then you click on preview. Or what about added? Okay. So you put the amount there. This okay. I've not added this is beneficiary account number. Sorry, uh, this is the amount. Let's say it's $100. I've not added the amount, so look at it. It shows now. And look at preview. When you preview, you confirm transfer. Right. It's processing. Right. To ask you for OTP. To ask you for OTP and you provide OTP, transaction will go. Now, when you click on international transfer, when you click on international transfer, you see a whole lot of transfer process. You can see wire transfer, cryptocurrency, PayPal, wire transfer, cash app. If you click on more, you see more even. All these things works. You see secure, you see revolt. All these things, when you try to make transfer with any of them, it asks for your what? Um, IMF code and the whole rest of them. All right. So, when you click on international transfer, click on wire transfer. So it takes you to wire transfer. Here now you put the amount. Let's say I want to transfer $500. I want to account number. Then you put the account number there and call it anything. Access bank address. Let's say it's in Lagos. And type is online banking. In our country, Swift code, IBAN, random 7 numbers. Okay. PIN for 2-digit PIN. Then transaction listing. Let's say it's this. So let's click on continue transfer. It prints out the listing and let's confirm the transfer. So now it's now requesting for IMF code. Now this code can be turned off for each user. Let me log into admin and show you. Now this is the admin. You see, we have manage users, we have create user, we have new application. That's if someone makes new application and do KYC, this is where you are going to see it. We have transfer transactions, we have user deposit, user loan application, virtual card, IRS refund. So let me go to this place and show you what I mean by that code. No, not create user. I don't want to create any new user. All right. So look at the user here. We want to um let's click on here now. You see you can credit, you can debit, you can generate transaction. All right. Now, you can turn on dormant account a whole lot. Once a new account is created, the account is automatically dormant, so you need to turn it on. But this is not a new account, is this thing. Now we have bank authorization code. Look at it. If you click on bank authorization code, you see all the code, IMF code. Now it's currently on. You can off it for this user. So these are the codes. All of them are 1234. So let's go back to that place where it's requesting for IMF code. 1234. So then code one verification. Okay, only IMF is what is on. Look at that. It's only IMF is what is on. Others are off currently. So that's why it's only requested for IMF code. You can also, if others are turned on, you can also request for others. Okay. So it's asking for OTP code. All right. So like I'm not logged into the email I'm using, so I cannot provide OTP code now. All right. So that's the, you can here these are the cards. Let's look at the cards. Here you can look at the cards. These are cards. You can view these are cards. You can apply for a card, as many cards as you want. So you can apply for a card, you can block a card, you can do a whole lot of things with card. So these are the cards. You have MasterCard. So you select card level. Let's say I want platinum and I will want American card and I want it to be in USD. I want increase my spending power to let's say 100,000. Then my billing address should be let's say that's so I'll click on apply card. Okay, maximum is 10,000. So I will click on agree. These things you can set it from admin. I'll show you where to set it. All right. Yes, loading. So your virtual card has been submitted successfully. All right. So now this virtual card has been submitted successfully. Look at it. It's currently pending. All right. It's currently pending. So I will need to approve it by admin so that the card will now have number and a whole lot of things. So let's go back to admin. Let's go to virtual cards. Let's go to all card or pending card. Any of them will work. So look at the card. These are the pending cards. So let's click on action and click on approve. So it has been approved. So that card has been approved. So once we withdraw, you see that it has been what? Approved. Look at the notification card approved. Okay, so we now have two cards. Okay, look at it, view the details. Let's view the details. Flip, show details. Shown. I said that. That's in your current price here. I think that. Let's make deposit. Here I want to make deposit, let's say Bitcoin. Let's say I want to deposit $5,000. Let's continue. Um, let's continue. So we scan this and we send that to that and submit our proof of payment. Let me see if I can see any picture here. Yeah. So let's submit. So admin will receive an email that account has funded successfully. So we are going to approve it now from admin. For us to approve it from admin, click on manage user deposits. On user deposits, now we can see pending. This is the pending. This is the one we deposited. Now we can process it. The person received a very stunning email templates. That's what the person received. Like, I don't know why I'm not logged in with this my email. You would have seen how the email looks like. It's a very colorful email you will like. So it has been processed, right? Now let's look at loan requests. You see the loan request. So you are loan restriction. Okay, I'm currently restricted from applying for loans. So here now you can apply for loans if I'm not restricted. All right. So, but from admin, I can remove the restriction of loans we have. So active loans. This is my loan because I'm currently on loan, so that's why I'm restricted. All right. So I'm currently restricted because I'm currently on a loan. IRS tax refund. All right, so here now you can apply for IRS, full name, ID, me, credentials, and a whole lot of things, and the admin will see it. Okay, so we have deposit loan history. Look at your loan history. You will see that your account have been processed of $12,000 for a car. Okay, you can look at the support tickets. So this is a very, very robust system. Like, it's very scalable and you can use it for banking work you need, right? So remember that this is for educational purpose only. All right. So let's go to the admin. Let me show you the admin in full. Now let's start from manage users. Let's start from manage user. Look at this, my user. This is the user I'm using as the demo. If you look at here, you can credit a user, put the amount you want. Let's say 6,000. Put the account type, international transfer scope, the person that made the transfer, the description, the bank address, and the date which you can backdate. Let's say I want to make it to be let's say 2002. I want to change the date to 2002, so I will shift this thing. Okay, let me start with 2010 and put here. All right, so send email. You can send email or you cannot send email. Let's say I want to send email and I will click on fund account. Okay, account has been funded successfully. Now let's go to admin now. You see, currently the amount is 1,186,840 USD. So let's scroll down. Let's go. Let's reload. Okay, see, it increased to 192. Now look, if you click on transactions, you will see the transactions there. Look at that. It's a credit. This is the reference number. This is the description. International transfer. Look at the receipt. Let's print the receipt. Look at it. I see successful. Look at the receipt. I see that. Okay. We can also export transaction history. Let's select the type as PDF. Then we want to receive it, preview as a statement, modem, and let's preview. So this is our account statement. Are you seeing how the account statement looks like? Are you seeing that this is a very robust system? This system is just $80. That's what you need to get this system. You can download it as PDF, you can print it as PDF. This is just $80. That's what you need for this to get this system and use it for your work. All right, this is the transaction history. All right. Now look at this transaction. I'm going to generate random transaction now. I'll show you how you can generate random transaction. Now let's generate random transaction. Let's go to admin. Let's click on here, generate transaction. Here now what I will put is the minimum amount. I want the minimum amount to be, let's say, $40, and the maximum amount, let it be 3,700 or anything. From dates. Now I want to generate transaction from, let's say that I want this account started from, let's say 2010. So I want to generate account from 2010. Hmm, let's see, let's generate it. Let's backdate it to 2010. 2010 June. The date and this date is this PM. So um let's two. Let's say we want to make it to be till today, which is 3rd of February, April 2023. And the number of generation transaction I want to create. This thing is going to create a random transaction 10. Now I want you to look at that. Currently, the last transaction we have there is 6,000 USD. And assuming this was a new account, you would have seen how this will generate random transaction for you to different persons. So let's generate transactions. So if you generate transaction that are between $40 to $3,400 with the dates ranging from um, October 10 transaction generated successfully. All right, we have generated 10. One can be processed, like process, all of them will process, but some can be debit or credit. So let's look at them. Let's refresh. All right, we have generated 10 transactions. Look at them. Look at them. Look at the last transaction we did. We generated 10 transaction. Look at the last one we did. So these are the new transactions that has been generated. Salary payment, salary purchase, loan payment, cryptocurrency exchange, local transfer, international, just randomly. They were generated randomly. Even the name of the person that was sent to, everything is just random generation. Everything was generated randomly. All right. You can print it out. You can print it out. A very robust system. Robust system. So let's go back to admin because I'm showing you everything in admin. Now you can change profile picture here. Here you can change password. You can turn account to be dormant. If account is dormant, there is no transaction the person can do. You can change usage limit. Daily limit, you can turn it on. That means if daily limits, that means person have exceeded the daily limit. Okay. Monthly limit and also weekly limit. These are bank authorization codes, which you can turn on or off. What else? Okay. In the date, you can change the date of account created. Like you can backdate it to anything you want. If I put this thing to 2010, all right. If currently this thing here is telling me 5 years, so you can backdate it to the date you want. This thing here is telling me 5 years. The account is 5 years old, so you can backdate it to what you want. So now, if I put this thing to 2010, right, you see it will not change to um 10 years. It's changed to 15 years. Sorry, to change to 15 years. Okay, right. So there are a whole lot of features. You have these are new users that have been created. This is under review. You can here go to this place and you can approve them. Approve their this thing. Account verified. Account verified. All right. It's loading so slow. So it has been verified. All right. Now these are loans application. These are virtual cards. So it has a whole lot of features you can go through. So, but I'm going to show you how you can install it easily. You are going to get a script from me. You chat me on my WhatsApp on the number in the description below. You're going to get the scripts and you can easily upload it. So let me show you the how to upload it. Now for you to upload the script, you're going to need a cPanel. You're going to need a cPanel. You're going to need a domain name. So we recommend you get a cPanel from Hostinger or Namecheap, any provided it has PHP 8.1 and above, and SNTP is working properly, so you can get any of them. All right. So once you get it, and you can get domain name, I will not recommend getting domain name for a banking script from those places. You can get the domain name from another place. You can get domain name from depending on the number of domain name you want to get. You can get from what's it called? It's name silo. You can get from name silo. They don't easily kill domain, but the thing is that if you have a lot of domains and there's a lot of complaints, the whole account can be disabled. All right. That's if you are using, if they are, this course is for educational purpose. All right. Now, once you've gotten the domain name and you have gotten the script, so you click on File Manager, you go to where you want to upload the script. Now, I want to upload it in my subdomain called demo-remedy.sbs. So let me click on that. Here, and I'm going to upload the script. Select, and I will click on the video to upload the script. Remedy Grand Bank, that's the name of the bank. Remedy Grand Bank, right? So it's uploading. So as it's uploading, the next thing I'm going to do is to create a database and import the SQL file of the script. So let's create a database. Let's create a database. Then let's click on database wizard. Let's say that the database, we want to call it DBB. The database name, we could call it DBB. The username DBB as well. And we are going to ask this guy to generate a random password for us. And we are going to copy it. Click on I have copied it and click on use. Right, click on create. Then let's open a notepad and paste our password here, so that we will not forget. So here now we're going to give all privileges. We still collect the database name and username, which are the same thing. So copying one will be okay. We click on next step. Let's paste it in our notebook so that we don't forget it, because we're going to paste this in our .env file. That's where we are going to paste it to connect the database and the script itself. All right, let's click on cPanel here and go to my PHP, my admin here. This one, this is where you created the database. Now you go to PHP admin and import the SQL file that comes with the script. Meanwhile, the script is still uploading while you are doing this. Installing this script might not take you less than 5 minutes. That's the 5 minutes even exaggerated. In 3 minutes, you can be able to upload the script and starts without coding. All right, so let's do this. This thing called DBP. We click on import, click on select file. Now the file of the script, this is the file of the script. We'll upload and we import. We're going to import. Let's see whether this thing is still loading, and this thing is important. So we are going to wait for them to finish importing and finish loading. Once this one is done loading, we are going to extract the files and we're going to connect the database details. All right, this is 97%. If it greens, it has green. That means it has uploaded finish. So let's reload here. Let's click on extract. It's extracting. Okay, this one has finished importing. So this one has finished extracting. Here, turn on app debug. If this thing is showing hidden files, if you've not checked it, hidden files will not show, and the .env file is a dot file, so it will not show. All right, so it's better you turn it on now and click on find the .env, edit it, put database name, database username, and database password. So let's put it here. So we're going to put the database name. username, and then password. Let's save. All right, so we have added that. So the site will be up. So let's look at the site. That's it. Something went wrong. Sorry. All right, I've checked this. The thing that went wrong, the database details I connected is incorrect. All right, so I don't know what is. Maybe the password I did not add it well. Let me check. The password is DBB, right? Right. So I will check on that now. So how I was able to check that is that I went to the .env file and turned app-debug to true. So it's not what this thing means that access denied for user code DB, meaning the database details incorrect. So I think rather than doing this, let me create a new database and connect it. Let's create a new database. I don't know why it's like I made a mistake while coupling that stuff. Let's call it demo. We'll still give the username demo. Let's give it demo. Let's tell this guy to generate password for us. So we are going to paste it directly now. No need of so let me go to the time view and remove this password and paste it there. All right. So I'll copy the database name and I'll make test. So put it here. Put it here. And the word save changes. Now let's reload. Okay, this one worked. So we need to now import the database. This one worked. All right, so let me reload and import the database so that it will now work fully. This is the database I've created. So let's import the SQL file again. Um, Import. So once it's finished importing, now the site will come up. So there's no need of still putting this thing to be true. So let's turn it false for security purpose. Put it as false. That's why I put it true is because I want to be able to debug it. That's to know what the issue is with it. Because it showed me 405 error something, and I knew that its database is not correct. So I just wanted to turn it true for you to see. It's better this not to be local. You have to change this thing to production because it's already in production. All this security this thing. So it has finished importing this thing. So let's reload here. Let's reload here. So you see our site is up. All right. Our site is up. You can change languages here. I send that open account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dive direct to that admin and show you how to set it up. It's just the same way you set up all my scripts because they are using the same backend. Let's log into dashboard. All right. Good. Is the dashboard. So what you do is go straight to settings, app settings. Here now you are going to put your website name here. Welcome and title everything. Your website address, you put it here. That live chat, there's no need because I've added the place where you put it differently. You turn off SMS unless you've registered with SMS network like Scott Willow, put their SID token and phone number here before you turn the SMS code on. If you don't do that, don't turn it on because you will get an error. Upload logo, upload your favicon, come to transfer code, edit it if you want to edit it. Go to preference, enter your contact email, come to this place, put your SNTP settings. That's come to Google and email/Google login capture. Put your SNTP settings. All right. Now you come to payment settings. You add your payment settings, payment method, add payment method, add a whole lot of other things. All right. So let's look at the manage user as again. You can send general message to users from here, but that's not what I want to do for now. I want to show you how to manage the site. So you see, you can credit, you can debit, you can generate transaction, you can change profile picture, you can turn every new account is currently on dormant, right? They are dormant. So unless approved by what admin, you can clear, you can change user limit. User limit is something like when someone wants to make transfer, you tell you that you have visited your daily limit, those kind of stuff. All right. So you can do that. Authorization code, can on and off it. All right. So send mail, can log in as user. So this is all you need to know about this online banking website script. All right, with a lot of features. You've seen the features it has. So that's all you need to know about it.